And let's get you breaking news coming in. A very good morning. You're watching NDTV 24/7. A Kolkata rape and murder case in which now the Bengal government has moved the Calcutta High Court. The West Bengal government there is now asking for capital punishment. So the West Bengal government there is moving Calcutta's High Court Division bench against the trial court sentence in the RG rape and murder case. The trial court pronounced a sentence of life imprisonment for Sanjay Roy, the Advocate General who has moved the division bench headed by this is seeking the death penalty when it comes to the accused. Do remember that Sanjay Roy so far has been maintaining that he is innocent, he isn't guilty of the crimes. He has been denying any sort of wrongdoing, saying that he wasn't the one who was involved in the crime that took place in August of last year. Of course, the family has been going on saying that there was more than one person involved, looking at the extent of the injuries of the victim. Well, now at a time like this, when it is, just a day after that announcement as far as the quantum of punishment is concerned, that was announced yesterday. Now it is the government, the West Bengal government there, wanting to move the Calcutta High Court in order to appeal for a death sentence. That is what they are asking for. Capital punishment is what the West Bengal government is seeking in this case. We have Saurabh Gupta joining us. Saurabh, of course, the minimum punishment would have been life imprisonment and the maximum would have been the death penalty. And now it's the West Bengal government there wanting a change as far as the quantum is concerned.
Absolutely, and this has been the stand of the government, the stand of the Chief Minister, the stand of the Trinamool Congress, the party that runs the government. Now, obviously, this is something that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also said yesterday, that we will continue to seek the death penalty in this case. And that's something that, the government's lawyer, the Advocate General, has done in the Calcutta High Court. The next court of appeal in this case is obviously the Calcutta High Court. So they've gone to the Calcutta High Court and appealed for a death, seeking to enhance the punishment to death penalty. And of course, this matter will be heard in appeal in the Calcutta High Court. Now, there is, of course, a lot of angst, but the judge also in his judgment, explained why he gave life imprisonment and wrote down the various judgments that he relied on to arrive at his decision, including the Supreme Court judgments like Bachchan Singh, etc. But obviously, society at large has been demanding the strictest form of punishment possible. But the judge also in his order made it clear that the judges cannot be swayed by public opinion. So all of these things are a matter of consideration in the High Court now when it goes into the which will be the next court of appeal, the High Court. And this the West Bengal government has already moved the High Court as far as this matter is concerned.
That's right. Of course, Mamata Banerjee taking to social media platform X and saying that this is the rarest of rare case which demands capital punishment. How could the judgment come to the conclusion that this is not the rarest of rare case? That is what Mamata Banerjee has said. While she's strongly feeling that this is a heinous crime and that warrants capital punishment, we will plead for capital punishment of the convict at the High Court now, is what Mamata Banerjee is saying. And of course, the West Bengal government there wanting the strictest punishment in this rarest of rare case, as Mamata Banerjee has described it, and really questioning the judgment that has come about of that life sentence.